Next, we'll go ahead and sell the items. We'll start by selecting an opportunity. Acumatica comes with a full CRM integrated system. So we'll go ahead and create a new opportunity for our customer Alta Ace. An opportunity can be associated with a specific account that's already been set up in our system, or it can be set up for a lead or contact that hasn't yet become a customer in Acumatica. In this case, we are going to select one of our current customers. The opportunity stage is set up and configured by organization. So we can create various stages that we need to go in order to sell a product to our customer. I'm going to select a subject and say wholesale cosmetics order. On the Activities tab, we can create several different activities for different users within our system. We can assign these activities, such as a phone call, an email, or a product demonstration, to a specific employee. We also can utilize this to create our details and add items to a quote. So we'll go ahead and add a few items. We're going to pick our orange hydrating body wash, and we'll select 20 of these. Now the unit price is automatically going to calculate based upon our customer pricing. However, since I'm creating a quote, I'm going to override that price to one that I've negotiated with my customer. We'll also sell some of that lavender body lotion. And again, I'm going to set a price based upon this opportunity. And then finally, we'll go ahead and add one more item, some face cream. Now that I've completed adding items, we can actually create a quote for the customer. So I'll go ahead and click on my Create Quote button. You'll see that under my Create Quote, I can pick a quote type, of which we can have multiple. We can ask the system to recalculate pricing. So if we've offered some promotional pricing and we'd like the system to recalculate it, we certainly can do that. We also can ask the system to recalculate discounts based on what may have happened since we started entering this opportunity. I'll go ahead and say Create and Review, and it's going to create the quote that we can then send to our customer. I'll come over here to my More Actions, and we'll say that the customer has accepted the quote, and we are going to convert this to an order. Once again, it's going to give me the operations to recalculate prices or discounts. I'm just going to say OK, and this is going to create a sales order for me. Because I know that the customer has approved the sales order at this time, I'm going to go ahead and drag and drop their purchase order onto this sales order so that all of our salespeople and operations can review and see that the order itself has been approved. Because I drag and drop that file, you can now see that file sitting here on the sales order itself. We can drill into that and we'll be able to see that file right here from Acumatica. Back on the order, I now have the ability to create a shipment. So I'll click my Create Shipment button, and this will send the order to shipping. From the Shipment tab, I'll come over to my Actions, and we'll print our picking list. Our picking list integrates with our warehouse management system and can be barcoded for simpler and more strategic picking. Once items have been picked, they'll be packed. And in this case, Acumatica is going to make a recommendation on what types of packages we need in order to ship these specific products. We can also integrate this with various shipping systems where we can pass this information to the shipping system as well as tracking information back into Acumatica. Once the boxes have been packed, we can print a shipment confirmation or a packing list, which can be included in the packages that we're sending. Finally, once this is complete, we'll confirm the shipment, and at this point in time, it will be ready for invoicing. We'll go ahead and click Prepare Invoice, and the invoice will be automatically generated based upon the shipment itself. This invoice can be emailed to the customer, it can be printed and sent, and all of these items that we've done can be a part of a greater batch to be included at a later time. We'll go ahead and release the invoice, and that will complete our quote to cash process.